Welcome back to my travel vlog number 2. I definitely learned a lot from my first video, such as filming in the right orientation. I'm going to try to experiment with a couple things, such as doing voiceover on some of the clips. My wife and I had an incredible time on our 8-night Caribbean cruise with Celebrity Cruise Line. We got to do some incredible things, such as scuba diving for the first time. We got to jump into some waterfalls, go down some rock-faced slides, find some hidden caves, enjoy some incredible beaches, and some phenomenal food. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Here we are pulling into San Juan, Puerto Rico. It was a later arrival time than some of our other ports, so we didn't get to enjoy too much in this particular port, but we still had an awesome time getting off the ship after being at sea for a day, exploring some of the town, seeing some of the Christmas decorations lit up, and just enjoying some of the local nightlife that was there. Here we are arriving in St. Thomas, getting ready to go scuba diving for the first time together. This was one of the things that Cass and I have been talking about for a long time, so it was awesome that we finally got to do it and that St. Thomas allowed us to do it while being uncertified. However, there was a small test that we had to pass. Luckily, we both did with flying colors, so we were able to enjoy a really cool reef, shipwreck, a lot of aquatic life, and then finish the day with a little bit of snorkeling to relax afterwards, and then only had to deal with minor earache for a couple hours afterwards that we finished. So definitely would go scuba diving again and looking into maybe getting our certifications for next time. What'd you get?
Strawberry daiquiri, it's delicious.
For the record, Daddy isn't me, but it is exactly who you're picturing. Here we are entering the hidden caves I mentioned at the Greater Baths. Now I use the term hidden caves very loosely as this is a tourist trap, so it is incredibly busy if you get stuck behind a tour group like we did. However, once you get to the end of the caves, there is a beautiful beach that's a little less busy, and we had a phenomenal time there going for a little swim. Would have enjoyed a little bit more time in the British Virgin Islands, but still appreciated the little visit that we had. Walking up to probably my favorite part of our entire trip would be the waterfalls that we were able to jump off of when we docked at Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic. This is something that we didn't expect to do at all. We were just kind of in the moment, said, hey, this might be something that's cool, and we're blown away with the experience. Luckily, we got to go with a smaller tour group, so we had a more intimate experience and got to do some of the jumps and slides a couple times over. Definitely one of the highlights. Would recommend for anybody that plans on going to the Dominican Republic.
How's that?
It's so
Whew, that feels so nice.
It's so awesome.
Yeah. Time to swim. Yep.
amazing.
Oh, that was cool.
That was amazing.
All right.
That sounded painful.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome you to the lepetitchef dining experience created by Stomapping. Let me give you a couple of tips in order to get the best experience. Please remove your personal items from the tabletop so that your lepetitchef does not trip as he likes running around. That is perfectly aligned with the magical circle of light. Chef, lepetitchef.
Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned to my next video where I go to Las Vegas for work. I'm going to try some new filming techniques on that one as well. Until next time, see ya.